Today it's Thursday, March 19, 2026, 300 SL. I don't remember if I have a video for this car. Maybe I talk to the owner. Never mind. To the point. Rear brake calipers. Here. What needs to be done here? Obviously, brake caliper, the rear left specific was leaking. You see the fluid, the brake fluid. This is the rear right. I'm gonna repair both of those. Alright? Now, what's the good thing? The good thing is that one piston came out, the other it's stuck, it's seized. I tried to pry it out, but it's not moving at all. So it's safe to say that this piston here, it was seized. This is the seal now, they are inside. That's the seal that needs to come out. And need to remove also from this side. Yeah, I hope that with the kit it's coming also the pistons, alright, because there is some corrosion. You can tell me I can polish it. Yeah, it's not that bad. I've seen much worse. At this age, it looks amazing. Now, what I'm doing now, air gun, flipping the caliper there, pressurizing it with one rag on top because it can come also fluid out, and trying to separate the pistons. What's the plan? Ultrasonic bath, ultrasonic cleaner for both, and then rust remover to try to break loose the piston. Yeah, that's the plan. And rust remover also on the pins. I don't know what will gonna come with the kit. We're gonna find out, but I'm gonna prepare whatever parts are healthy and I can reuse them again. I'm gonna prepare it. Whatever it's not okay, obviously I have to replace them. Let me put in the ultrasonic bath this one and try to open these pistons from this one. Wish me luck. Alright, the rear right brake caliper, both pistons out. Alright, the rear left, like I said, it's seized. I cannot take it out. This is solid, it doesn't move at all. Alright, now ultrasonic and then inside of the rust remover. Alright, the breather is here, the seals are here, the inner seals are here. Obviously they're cracking. Alright, let me wash it to see how it looks like, because the rust remover I have it inside of the engine room. I have it in a container to close it. The seals, I don't need the seals. I hope the new seals to come with a sleeve like this one. It has a metallic sleeve inside that's securing nice. Alright, yeah, let's move on. Let's see how does it looks like after 21 minutes. It might mess with the sound. The piston didn't came out by itself. Leave it for a full half hour. Switch the other one. Oops, yeah, it fell some water and stopped. Yeah. Alright, never mind. Let it finish and then I'm gonna see that again. Here I make some tea, I have some tea inside. Meanwhile, inner brake pad, outer brake pad, it's been washed, alright, no brake fluid on it. And the same thing from this side, inner, outer, it looks fine. Plenty of meat, brake rotor looks okay. I'm not gonna wait for a half an hour. Screw it, we're gonna stop it there. Alright, we just want to remove the dirt. Now, while it was wet and hot, doesn't sound right, eh? The brake caliper, I managed to remove the piston. I don't remember if it was this one or the other one. Okay. Let's rinse it and let's go inside the engine room. Because first removing the dirt, then removing the rust, and then let's see what we're gonna receive, what we're gonna include the kit. Here we go inside the engine room. Alright, please note that I haven't sanded the brake caliper, I haven't scratched it, I haven't sandblasted it or with a wire or whatever. This is just only to remove the dirt, and then the next step is to remove the rust. Alright, so that's how that looks like. Fine. These are the 3 pieces that came out, and this is the one that was stuck. It was seized, and you see that here has a little bit more wear than the other side. Okay, this one has a little bit wear here. It's never coming so much out, the piston. You know, if it comes that much out, the piston, then that means the brake rotor, it's like a CD player, and the brake pads, they're not existing. Okay, the range, it cannot go more than this. It's halfway in general. All right, so I think, I don't remember if I mentioned before. If I mentioned, I'm sorry. I know sometimes I repeat myself again and again. All right, now it still has the rust. It's not right what I'm doing, because I just remove only the dirt, not the rust. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Don't try to insert the piston. Now, I haven't split the caliper because I don't know what's included in the kit. When I'm gonna receive the kit, if it has an O-rings, if it has everything, then I'm gonna split it. There's no problem at all. I can take it apart. All right. As soon as I receive the kit, I'm not gonna split it completely. All right. Fair enough. I haven't sanded none of the parts, like I said. Okay. I'm trying with a ultrasonic bath by cleaning and rust remover, and after the rust remover I'm gonna put again the ultrasonic cleaner to be nice. Okay, we're gonna see that again. Now we have it's holidays now here, so resuming back on Monday. We're gonna see that again on Monday, how it gonna looks like. Meanwhile, in the bucket, I have 2 buckets over there, one there and one there with rust remover. Let's sink them in, and these parts, yeah, why not? It looks like it's zinc coated. I don't think so, it's gonna go away, the zinc. I don't know what he wants exactly, the customer. You know, if it was me, at the end, I'm gonna paint it with a high temperature color to protect it, you know. But I don't know, maybe the customer, he wants like that, because it's an old car, it's a classic car. Maybe he wants to be this appearance, because that's how it was to begin with, just without the rust. And when I'm gonna remove the rust, you're gonna come rust again at these areas, at these points. That's why I'm saying that it makes sense to put some masking tape on some areas and then paint it, cook it in the oven, you know, with a high temperature color spray to looks nice. But it's all about the owner. For me, there's no problem. If he said to me, paint it, I will gonna do it. It's not, the good thing is that we're not in hurry. We are waiting the kit, the service kit for the calipers. The customer, it's not his primary car, he's a collector. So it's not like that if we keep the car for 1-2 days, as an example, it's not gonna take 1-2 days more, I'm just saying, to paint, to make it nice, the calipers, you're not gonna say no. All right, I don't know if with the kit it comes new pistons, I hope. Definitely gonna come the new seals and the boot, the protection boot for the dust covered boot. Okay, we're gonna see. Meanwhile, like I said, let's remove the dirt and the rust. The most important thing is the bore here inside. You see the rust that has here. All this will gonna disappear. You see that's only in one spot. Yeah, it's not 180 degrees, it's less than 180. You're gonna see that it's 160 degrees that has the rust, and all the rest it's clean there. And then from this side the same thing, right? Yep, makes sense, classic. From this side it's clean, from this side it's rust. Yep. And obviously similar to the pagoda. I don't remember if I have a video for the pagoda, by the way. I don't remember if I make a video for the other one. Yeah, alright, fine. That's it. An update. Like I said, I don't even remember if I'm making a video for this car. We're gonna find out. It might be the first part, this one. Yeah, thank you very much. Over and out. See you again on Monday. Today, just in case, today it's Thursday, March 19, 2026. Thank you.